So you got to take the humidifier panel off. You take this lid to the humidifier, it just kind of props out going sideways, just kind of pull it and it comes off. And then you got your water line hook up, goes to the top of the casing of the humidifier panel. Let me get this off here. Okay. You're supposed to change your humidifier panels every once a year for heating. You gotta take these clips off of this casing here. It comes right out. Slide the old one out and see how it's kind of yellowish and there's all that sediment in there. That's not clean. That's not good. Just kind of wipe it out and get it out as best you can. You don't want that in there. It's part that'll plug up your drain going out. And grab the new one. Slide it in there. Should slide in there anyway. And then you grab the lid here and stick it in. And just push her back in there and hook the water line up and you're good to go.